Hi friends, you are welcome back to another interesting question. We are asked to calculate the length of this side AB. We have the length of this side to be 5 units. That of this line segment is 3.5 and this is also 3.5. Here, this line segment and this are congruent, and here also the two angles have their sizes to be A. That makes them congruent as well. So how can we solve this? How can we calculate the length of this side AB? It is very simple. We start from this triangle ABC. This side bisects this angle of 8. That makes it an angle bisector of the triangle. So we can use the angle bisector theorem, which states that the angle bisector of a triangle divides the opposite sides into two segments that are in the same proportion as the other two sides. That is, here, this segment and this are in the same proportion as this side is to this. So if we let this be x, this y, and this z, x over y equal to 3.5 plus 3.5 all over z. 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7. Cross multiply. So xz equal to 7y. Divide both sides of the equation by x. Here x cancels x. So z equal to 7y over x. But here we see this side BC, its length is 5 units. And we have it divided into x and y. We can say x plus y equal to 5. Take x to the left hand side of the equation. So y equal to 5 minus x. Come here, substitute it. So z equal to 7 into bracket 5 minus x all over x. And here, replace y with 5 minus x. Back here, since this side and this are equal, and we have this to be x, the length of this side must also be x. Let's look at this triangle. This line divides this side into two congruent segments. That is, it bisects it. So therefore, it is a median of the triangle. So we can use the Apollonius theorem, which states that the sum of the squares of any two sides of a triangle is equal to twice the summation of the squares of half the third side and the median bisecting the third side. That is, here, the sum of the squares of this x and the length of this side, say h, is equal to twice the sum of the squares of half of this side, which is 3.5, and the median. So x squared plus h squared equal to 2 into bracket 3.5 squared plus x squared. Here 3.5 is the same as 7 over 2. 7 over 2 all squared is 49 over 4. 2 multiplied by 49 over 4 plus x squared is 49 over 2 plus 2x squared. Bring this x squared to the left. 2x squared minus x squared is x squared. So h squared equal to 49 over 2 plus x squared. Keep this equation aside. Come back to this triangle. With reference to this as a CVN, we can use the Stewart's theorem. Come here, assume this side is B and this C. Let this be M, this N, and this D. The whole side is going to be Stewart's A. So B equal to Z, C equal to 3.5 plus 3.5, which is 7, M equal to X, N equal to 5 minus X, A equal to 5, and D equal to H. Substitute it here. So Z squared times X plus 7 squared times 5 minus x equal to 5 times h squared plus x times 5 minus x. 7 squared is 49. Here x times 5 minus x is 5x minus x squared. Back to this equation, z equal to 7 into bracket 5 minus x all over x. Square both sides. Here 7 into bracket 5 minus x all over x all squared is 49 times 5 minus x times 5 minus x all over x squared. Replace this with 49 times 5 minus x times 5 minus x all over x squared. This x squared divided by this x is x. From here, 49 into 5 minus x is common. We factor it out. So it is 49 into bracket 5 minus x all multiplied by 5 minus x over x plus 1. 5 minus x all over x plus 1 is 5 minus x plus x all over x. Minus x plus x is 0. So it is 5 over x. This 5 eliminates this 5. This h squared, we have its value here to be 49 over 2 plus x squared. Substitute it here. X squared minus x squared is 0. So it is 49 over 2 plus 5x. Simplify into a single fraction. It is 49 plus 5x times 2, which is 10x all over 2. Now cross multiply. 49 into bracket 5 minus x times 2 is 98 into bracket 5 minus x, which is 490 minus 98x. And here 49 plus 10x times x is 49x plus 10x squared. Bring these to the right hand side of the equation. 49x plus 98x is 147x. So 10x squared plus 147x minus 490 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. If you solve using the quadratic equation formula, you'll get x equal to negative 35 over 2 or x equal to 14 over 5. X is the length of this side. It can't be negative. We discard this. Therefore, x equal to 14 over 5. Substitute it here. 5 minus 14 over 5 is 5 times 5, which is 25 minus 14 all over 5. This 5 eliminate this 5. 25 minus 14 is 11. 14 is 7 times 2. This 7 cancels this 7. 11 over 2 is 5.5. So line AB equal to 5.5 units. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and also turn on notifications. Thank you.